Looking for the perfect travel camera in 2025? Whether you want something small enough to slip into your pocket or a powerful zoom camera to capture every detail, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 best travel cameras of 2025, from ultra-compact designs to professional-level performance, so you can find the right one for your adventures. Stay tuned until the end, because our number 1 pick might just surprise you. Let's get started. Number 5. GoPro Hero 13 Black. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is the ultimate choice for travelers who want durability, portability, and professional-level video quality packed into a tiny device. Designed for adventurers, this camera is waterproof without a housing, so you can take it diving, hiking in the rain, or skiing down slopes with confidence. The Hero 13 introduces 8K video capture at 30 FPS, which means you can create incredibly sharp and cinematic footage on the go. Its advanced Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization ensures even the bumpiest rides come out silky smooth, making it ideal for mountain biking trails or action-packed journeys. You also get 5.3K at 60 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS for slow-motion moments. With a larger sensor, this GoPro improves low-light performance, letting you capture sunsets and night scenes better than ever. The built-in horizon lock keeps your footage level, no matter how much the camera tilts. On top of that, it has a front-facing display for easy vlogging, voice control for hands-free operation, and a rugged design built to handle any trip. The compact size means it slips easily into your pocket or backpack, so it's always ready. For creators who want fast sharing, wireless transfers and cloud uploads are seamless. The Hero 13 also supports new accessories like the Media Mod and Volta Grip, expanding creative possibilities. If your travels are full of adrenaline, water, dust, or rough handling, this tiny powerhouse will handle it all. From snorkeling in tropical waters to filming city tours, the Hero 13 is the action-packed travel camera that never lets you down. Number 4. Sony ZV-1 II. The Sony ZV-1 II is a pocket-sized vlogging camera tailored for travel creators who want professional quality without lugging around heavy gear. This updated model comes with a larger 1-inch sensor that produces rich images and sharp 4K video, even in challenging light. Sony added a 18-50mm wide-angle zoom lens, giving you more flexibility for landscapes, selfies, and close-up details while traveling. The autofocus system is lightning fast with real-time eye tracking for both humans and pets, ensuring your subject is always sharp. One of the biggest perks is its built-in background defocus button, letting you instantly blur out distractions for cinematic shots. The compact body weighs under 300 grams, making it ideal for one-handed shooting or slipping into a pocket. Travelers will also appreciate the fully articulating screen, which flips out for easy selfies and vlogs. It records high-quality 4K video oversampled from 6K with no time limit, so you can shoot longer clips without worry. The directional 3-capsule mic is designed for voice clarity and comes with a windscreen to cut out outdoor noise. Battery life is improved compared to the first ZV-1, and USB-C fast charging makes it easier to top up on the go. With creative shooting modes, slow motion, and quick share options, it's built for travelers who want to shoot, edit, and post quickly. Whether you're filming food tours, walking through crowded cities, or documenting hikes, the ZV-1 II makes it simple to create engaging travel content. Compact, versatile, and creator-focused, this camera is a true travel-ready tool. Number 3. Canon PowerShot V10. The Canon PowerShot V10 is designed for travelers who value simplicity, portability, and quick content creation. This slim camera, weighing only 201 grams, looks almost like a small gadget rather than a traditional camera, which makes it less intimidating to carry around. It shoots 4K video at 30 FPS and Full HD at 60 FPS, providing crisp travel footage. The built-in wide-angle lens is perfect for handheld vlogs and scenic backgrounds. One standout feature is its integrated stand, which means you can set it down on a table or rock without carrying a tripod, making it ideal for spontaneous filming while traveling. The camera also comes with a large stereo microphone and wind filter, so your audio stays clean when filming outdoors. Its touchscreen interface is user-friendly and designed for creators who want to start shooting without fuss. Canon has packed this with automatic exposure and skin smoothing modes, ensuring you look good even under harsh travel lighting. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity make transferring clips fast, so you can post directly from your trip. The compact size means it easily fits in your pocket, ready to capture moments on the go. For those who love live streaming, the V10 supports direct YouTube and Facebook streaming without a computer, a huge plus for digital nomads and travel vloggers. Battery life is good enough for a full day of short clips, and USB-C charging means you can power up with a portable bank while moving. Affordable, lightweight, and fun to use, the PowerShot V10 proves you don't need heavy equipment to share great travel stories. Number 2. Fujifilm X100VI. The Fujifilm X100VI is a dream travel companion for photographers who want a mix of portability, classic design, and outstanding image quality. This stylish compact carries forward the iconic retro look of Fujifilm, but packs modern power inside. It features a 40mm APS-C sensor, which delivers detail-rich images and incredible dynamic range for landscapes, city shots, and portraits while traveling. The built-in 23mm f2 prime lens offers a versatile field of view, close to what the human eye sees, making it great for both street photography and wide scenic captures. Fujifilm's film simulation modes are a highlight, letting you replicate iconic film looks straight out of the camera without editing. The X100VI also introduces improved stabilization and faster autofocus, ensuring sharp results even on the move. Despite its compact size, the build quality feels premium, with weather resistance for added reliability during unpredictable trips. Travelers who shoot video will appreciate the 6.2K recording, which makes this camera versatile beyond photography. The optical electronic hybrid viewfinder is unique, giving you both a traditional rangefinder feel and a modern EVF option. With its silent shutter, you can capture candid street moments discreetly. The X100VI is lightweight, easy to pack, and stylish enough to carry everywhere. Its fixed lens design may seem limiting, but many travelers find it liberating, forcing creativity while reducing the need for bulky lenses. Whether you're documenting markets in Asia, sunsets in Europe, or quiet alleys in old towns, the X100VI captures your journeys with a timeless aesthetic. It's not just a travel camera, it's a travel experience. Number 1. Sony RX108 Mark VIII. At the top of the list sits the Sony RX108, the ultimate all-around travel camera that blends portability, pro-level zoom, and unbeatable image quality in a pocket-sized body. This newest iteration builds on Sony's legendary RX100 series, now featuring a larger stacked CMOS sensor for even better low-light performance and faster processing. The 24-200mm zoom lens makes it versatile enough for wide landscapes, portraits, and telephoto shots all in one compact package. It records 4K video with advanced oversampling, plus slow motion up to 960 FPS for creative shots. Autofocus is lightning fast with real-time tracking and eye detection, ensuring subjects remain sharp whether it's people, pets, or wildlife. The pop-up electronic viewfinder is perfect for sunny conditions, while the flip-out screen makes vlogging simple. Travelers will love the improved battery life and USB-C charging, which means no carrying bulky chargers. At under 300 grams, it slips into a pocket yet delivers quality rivaling larger mirrorless cameras. The RX100 V8 also supports 10-bit color recording for those who want more editing flexibility. Built-in stabilization ensures smooth handheld footage, making it ideal for walking tours or handheld travel vlogs. Sharing is quick with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, while creative modes like panoramic shooting add extra fun. Whether you're capturing monuments, cityscapes, or candid travel moments, this camera adapts to every situation. For those who want just one camera that does it all, from wide to telephoto, stills to pro-level video, the RX108 is the best travel companion you can buy in 2025.